Hey everybody, Average Picker here. Stock Lock Sunday. I figured we would pick one of these masters. If you saw my package opening from Sammy, this is one of the 3 that she sent me. We're all locked up here, and yeah. So she sent these to me. Her company apparently uses these, and there were 3 of them. I've already sent one out. There were 3 that didn't have keys, but she works for this logistics company, and this is apparently the locks they use on their trailers. And I forget, she said something about she said something in her message about they'd gotten them off Amazon, or because of the Amazon reviews said they were good and couldn't be picked, but they were difficult to pick or something. And they're not. Let's see what we can get here. There we go. Core turn. That should be it. Wow, there we go. Takes a lot of pressure. You get the open pretty easily. Takes a lot of effort though to get that complete rotation. And then our shackle comes free. So there we go. We're only going to pick the one, and we will gut it as well. At least I think we'll gut it. We'll see. I have not looked to see what we need to gut this with. Yeah. Oh, what kind of bit is that? Down in there. Sort of looks like a little star bit down in there. Torque bit. Yeah, there we go. Oops. And it's gutted there. Okay, I'm going to adjust this camera a little bit. There's our little core. Flip that around. Let's get our little C-clip off. So yeah, good reviews on Amazon apparently is why they got these. You know, it just occurred to me, I just relocked it. I was not thinking about not having the key, so now, what do we got to do? We got to throw this little sucker back in the clamp and really pick it. Are we recording again? Good. That was less than ideal cut, wasn't it? We are repicked. And it was just fine. Once I shifted it to down here, it was pretty much the same. So a tip to you there, Master Lock. You should install a miniature vise to pinch in the sides and the back of the lock. It makes it a lot harder to pick. All right. Let's do this now. Oh my God. Okay. I shuffled this stuff out of the way. You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna do a big dump because we don't have a key, and it just doesn't matter, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'll leave those pins in place, and we'll just let the guts dump. All right, so yeah, we've got not a whole lot. Well, we've got one steep in there. 2, 3. All right. Little miniature spools. You know, it's strange, when I was picking it that second time, you could feel the spools way more than when it was actually in the lock itself. I'm going to leave those right there. Let's flip the camera so you get a better view. Okay, so as we continue our less than ideal picking, what do we got? And you can see, you know, they're not terrible, but are we missing a pin though? That was that guy. Let's see. Oh no, he was in there, just really, really tiny. That was our big lift that put us into that immediate false. We don't even need to flip these guys around. Are we better off without the light shining on it? Maybe. But yeah, there we go. I know this is sloppy video. Let's see, there's our little tiny spools that were in there. Because I did the dump, I'm not really sure where all the spools were located. That's interesting. Is that supposed to be serrations? You can definitely feel them. Definitely feel that. I don't know if I've ever picked through a master lock that had one of those. I mean, not that I immediately remember or that stands out. That's definitely got two little serrations. I don't know if that just escaped. Where did I just send you? I just flipped you somewhere. This video sucks. I wonder if that's just one that escaped the machining, or if that's just one of their pin variations they have now, or that they have. I don't remember. Maybe I've seen it before. I just don't remember. Interesting. And of course, we've flipped one of the other spools somewhere. Oh, there it is, right there. Didn't go far. All right, well, guys, I know that was way less than ideal, but it's a Stock Lock Sunday, and it's a Master 6127. And a lot of this, a lot of this was just because I thought it was interesting that she said they used these on their trailers because of good Amazon reviews saying they were difficult to get into. So yeah, I think if nothing else, that shows something about them, right? All right, everybody. Have a good rest of your Stock Lock Sunday. Sorry for a bit of sloppy video there.